Mystique, or Catwoman. Choose your favorite superhero, and we will show you how to turn your doll into her. Watch our new video and learn how to transform dolls into comic book heroes. Jessica has found a new book. It's about the heroine of the X-Men, a girl named Mystique. She can turn into different people and look like anyone she wants. Samantha doesn't buy this fairy tale, but her exact copy sits down right beside her. Now she will totally believe in Mystique. Samantha tells her friend about her twin, but Jessica knows who it was, her doll Mystique. Dissolve red gouache in water. Dip the doll's hair into it. Let it soak in for 10 minutes. Blot the colored hair with a paper towel and blow dry it. Cover it with plastic wrap. Degrease the body and the face with rubbing alcohol. Coat the body with blue acrylic paint. Paint the eyes yellow. Paint details and add her signature scales. Cut the top and the bottom of a swimsuit out of a black balloon. Put it onto the doll. Paint it blue. Take off the wrap and style the hair using hair mousse. Coat the eyes and the lips with glossy acrylic polish. This doll is so cute! The girls want to learn more about the superpower of their favorite doll. Let's see what else this blue creature can do. The friends are busy living their lives, and Harley Quinn drops in on them. So it means things are about to get a lot more interesting. Cut off the doll's hair. Heat the head with a hairdryer and carefully remove it not to damage the fastening. Dip the hair into hot water. Take out the remains. Put the head back on. Wrap it with cling wrap and cover with a wipe. Fasten it with a rubber band along the hairline. Coat the top of the head with white glue. Let it dry and add 3 or 4 more layers. Draw the hairline with a pen marker. Take the piece off the doll and cut out a base for a wig. Melt the edge of a white satin ribbon. Unpick the other edge, making thin threads. Attach the strands to the wig with multi-purpose glue. Start from the bottom. Cover the entire head. Keep the part. Glue a long strip of ribbon in the middle. Unpick it on both sides. And attach it to the wig as the top layer. Separate the front strands. Make pigtails out of the remaining hair with blue and red hair ties. Trim the front strands. Scrape powder off red and blue pastels and rub it in the ends of the pigtails. Do her makeup with watercolor pencils. Blend it with a brush. Do the nails, interchanging the colors. Fold a piece of tulle. Cut it out following the leg outline. Sew tight. Color white stretchy fabric with water-based markers. Make red and blue stripes. Cut out and sew a skirt. Sew a tank top from the same fabric. Add a title with a thin marker. Color boots with acrylic paints. Define the lips with a watercolor pencil. Glue tips of toothpicks to a foam rubber sheet strip. Color it with gold acrylic paint. Cut it off and put the bracelets onto the doll's hand. Make a belt from a black foam rubber sheet. Attach a foam rubber sheet buckle painted gold. Make a choker the same way. Shape polymer clay into a baseball bat. Bake it according to the package instructions. Add text that says, "Good night" with a watercolor pencil. Define the outlines with a thin marker. Put the bat into the doll's hand. Harley Quinn distracts Jessica from her books, but she's sure that Samantha did it. Then Harley does the trick again. Things are getting tense. Harley Quinn puts salt into Samantha's tea in return. Ew! Nasty! Samantha suspects that Jessica did this. But Harley Quinn gets busted. Hey, come here, doll lady! You don't know how to act! So it means that Harley has to sit here where we can see her. A thief sneaks into the house while the friends are chatting. Someone's scratching in the kitchen. It's cunning Catwoman. Dip the doll's hair into hot water to make it straight and glossy. Brush and blow dry it. Brush the side strands back and tie them with a hair tie. Shade the ears with a black watercolor pencil. Trace the doll's legs on a stretchy fabric. Make a cutout with allowances. Glue the pants and turn them right side out. Make a top from a strip of the same fabric. Cut out 2 holes for arms. Wrap it crosswise. Glue it on the back. Cut a long balloon at an angle. Prick a hole with a toothpick. Take off a hand and put the balloon piece on as a glove. Put the doll's fingers into the hole and stick the hand back. Do the nails with a watercolor pencil. Decorate the top with a zipper half. Paint doll shoes black. Color toenails with a black watercolor pencil. Cut a Catwoman mask from black cardboard. Attach it with double-sided tape. Coat her lips with red acrylic paint. Make a whip from a glossy black cord. Shape a handle and a tip from light clay. Put the whip into Catwoman's hand. The kitchen is empty. Catwoman is not that easy to catch. She's already climbing down the cabinet. And she wants to steal Jessica's earrings. Thank goodness, Samantha noticed the thief in time. She's so elegant and so sneaky. Catwoman immediately disappears with a crack of her whip. And then a plant disappears. And Jessica's favorite earrings! Jessica is allergic to cats for a good reason. And the thief's been hiding under the table the whole time. Did you like our superhero dolls? Then write in the comments which superhero you will turn your toy into. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new doll makeovers on Troom Troom.